Hi, welcome back. So today, my refrigerator and my freezer are horrible. They need to be cleaned out, and I'm going to be doing a grocery haul after that because that's one reason why I want to clean out the fridge and the freezer, get everything ready to put more groceries in there. And right now, there's just not room because everything is cram packed. So my last video, I did a extreme pantry clean out, and I'm so happy with it. And now I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some more stuff to put in there, but that's okay. That's why I cleaned it out so that I knew what I had too when I go to the grocery store. It's helpful, and so now that inspired me to do my freezer and my fridge. And my freezer, I can't remember the last time I actually cleaned out my freezer. I don't have a large freezer because I had the side by side, so I don't have it's just not that big. So I tend to clean as I go, kind of. But this time I'm gonna wipe it out, wash it out, do everything, and get it somewhat organized. And the same with the fridge. I clean out my fridge quite often, but it also gets dirty a lot faster than probably it should. But there's a lot more hands in there than just mine. There's people are getting stuff in and out of the fridge all the time. So, and you know exactly what I'm talking about. So anyway, I'm going to get that done today. So I think we should just get started on that.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy.
So here I've got hot water and Dawn, and I'm just washing down the whole freezer, as much of it as I can get to. And then these the little cubbies, I had already washed those, so I'm just putting them in clean. And then I'm going through each thing, like each box, and putting what's left over into a Ziploc bag just to give myself more room in my freezer. And I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on with the back of my hair, but it's a hot mess in this video, and I'm so sorry about that. It does not look great. But yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Don't let me hold you now.
Now I'm cleaning out the fridge side. I finished the freezer, so now this is what it looks like before I started. There's way too many leftovers in there that probably need to be thrown out, and everything needs to be wiped down completely. So there it is.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. 'Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm way now. I'm on my 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 way now. those faces. I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing.
Here's my humongous grocery haul. And if you've been on my channel, you know I'm terrible at grocery hauls. So don't make fun of me. Alright, this is what we got. Went to Aldi's and we got these cinnamon raisin mini bagels. We got the chopped salad, the Southwest version. Some Kobe Jack cheese. I like to get this chicken salad and then I add extra chicken to it because it needs it. And then got some cottage cheese. Some of these because my son's got some ice cream in one of those four. Got some cream cheese. Some of these Sims, not Slim Jims, but Sims. Got some of these coconut cashew crisp, the vanilla flavor, because these are low carb and I do like low carbs. And these cheddar almond crackers are so good. They taste like kind of like Cheez-Its, but more natural. I don't know what to call them, but I like them. Got some Twix for our pumpkin here. Got some cauliflower. Some olive oil spray. Two frozen packs of asparagus. Got some more of these coconut rolls. If you've never got these are so good, and they are also keto friendly. They taste like a sugar cone that you put ice cream on. To me, that's what they taste like. Got some green beans, frozen green beans. We got some hot dogs. We got 2 big packs of hot dogs. That's for church Sunday. Got can of mushrooms, some butter. We were out of butter, big time. Some taco seasoning. Got some of this turkey breast for sandwiches. Got rice cauliflower. This stuff's pretty good. I like it. Another green bean. Some paper plates. I got some of these garden salsa egg life. I got the plain ones last time, but I know I'm gonna like these even better. They're so good. Ranch pack, that's for something I'm making. Cucumber. Some more cheese. We eat a lot of cheese around here. I got a thing of eggs. I got these. These are like these stuffed Bella mushrooms. We're gonna eat these tonight with our steak. I got 2 packs of these imitation crabs. And we got some of these sugar bomb flavored. These look so good. The tomatoes on the bottom, those look really good. Alright, and we got some meatballs and some of these chicken skewers. If you have not tried these are so good. Try them. A little bit of ribeye, but it's like a thinly sliced. Then I got 4 packs of the ground beef and a big pack of the chicken breast and 2 packs of the pork chops. These are the thick ones. I'm gonna try this. I have tried the hearts of palm before and I like it, but I've never tried this one, and so we're gonna make some spaghetti out of that. My husband will eat the real pasta, not the fake. And we got some Havarti, and I got some of these peppers. I like cream cheese on these peppers. They're so good. 2 packs of hot dog buns for all those hot dogs we're carrying. And Snickerdoodle cookies, keto friendly and gluten-free friendly. Cheese crisp, same thing, keto friendly. I got these for my son that was in Minnesota. That's a little treat that I'm going to send him, along with these, which go on, look at that, they go on the side of your, like, hot cocoa or hot coffee or whatever you're drinking. Another bag of green beans, some almond flour crackers. These are the Parmesan rosemary. I've not tried them, but I like the other ones. So, this is crescent rolls, more ranch, and more taco seasoning. Then we got the tortilla chips and these sun chips. My son likes these cheddar ones. I didn't know we got all these. Okay, cheese puffs and barbecue potato chips. It sounds like we're having some kind of party. Alright, over here I've got can of mushrooms. I'm making something with this. And this Parmesan. And this is for the spaghetti and meatballs. The baked spaghetti for me and the real thing for him. Some salsa. And we got this pizza sauce. I've never tried it. We usually get the Rayos because my son's very particular, but we're going to try this. We're just not going to tell you. Cream of mushroom, cream of mushroom, cream of mushroom, olives. I'm going to try this sugar-free French vanilla and Italian dressing. We were almost out of soy sauce. Gotta have some hot sauce. We didn't have any more hot sauce. And I don't know if I showed these. I don't think I showed these. These are going to my son too, that lives in Minnesota. He likes to try fun stuff like that. So, let's see. I've got these containers. I need these. I like it because it's got the cups on the side too. And this is the charcuterie board. This was $14.99, I believe. I don't think you can get it anywhere else that cheap. Aldi always has nice stuff like this cheap. It's their acacia wood. So that's it for the grocery haul. A lot of food. I hope it's enough to last us. This should be like 2 weeks worth of food. And this will be a Saturday for my husband watching football. Okay. There it is. Okay, that is it for today. Wow. I got my fridge and my freezer cleaned out. I'm excited now I can go grocery shopping and not feel like I don't have anywhere to put anything when I bring it back. And I'm excited about that. I hope you got inspired to go do your own, even if it's just, you may not have as small as I have, so it may not take it may take you longer. It may take you a day to just clean out the whole thing. I don't know, but anyway, I'm glad you came along with me, and I just want to take the time to say thank you to all my subscribers. I just appreciate it so much that I am able to stay at home. Now, I'm not monetized yet. That would be nice. But I still get to stay home. I still get to do something that I truly love and I'm passionate about. I love cleaning. I love decorating. I love redoing things, painting. I love those things. And so I get to do that because I'm on here on YouTube, and I appreciate that. And also the reason I'm at home, I don't know if most of you know, but I was substitute teaching last year, and I loved it because I was a school teacher, And then my mom, she has dementia and she lives with us, and she wasn't doing as well to be stay at home all the time, and she quit driving. So I need to be here, and that's what I'm supposed to be doing, regardless. I love my mom. She was a great mom, or is a great mom. What am I saying? But all my life, I felt that way. I never any not getting along days. We were pretty much friends. So I'm glad she's here, and it's just for me to be here with her. It just makes things smoother, and my husband likes me being here because he works at home, and it just it helps the house to flow a lot better. So, and also my son is my editor, and it's something that he's learning. He's a graphic designer, but he's learning by doing mine, which I think is so great, hands on. Um, so anyway, that's kind of what's going on around here, and thank you for coming, and come back and see what's going on and subscribe. It's free to subscribe, and you can subscribe, and it doesn't mean you have to watch every day. Nobody's watching you or telling you got to watch every day. It's nothing like that. So it just helps the YouTuber out, and we appreciate it. We all appreciate it. So thank you, and come back.